Birds fly. They sing, exuberating a sense of freedom. Often harsher reality ravages this freedom. Eight-year-old Marina of Murshidabad fetches millions of rupees to child traffickers by begging at Mecca, by dint of her acute physical appearance. The irony is that treatment will never be meted out to her to ensure this inflow. Vulnerable, without her father, she is thus considered to be a potent instrument of earning and is likely to be exploited throughout her life. 6-year-old Bilkis of Murshidabad, a victim of child smuggling, was barbarically crippled in a cruelly orchestrated runover and converted into a beggar, evoking sympathy and, of course, more money to her traffickers. Almost every year, thousands of children within the age group of 1.5 to 6 years are kidnapped from remote villages of Bangladesh, transported through India to be sold in the Arab countries for the dreadful camel racing event, a fatal sport in which they hardly survive. 20 children aged between 1.5 years to 8 years of Bangladesh origin rescued from India and were put into juvenile jail for more than 11 months. Free the Children had a long movement and finally the children were released and sent to Bangladesh. Investigation revealed 3,000 children trafficked out since last 15 years, mostly from Murshidabad district of West Bengal, 324 deported from Saudi Arabia, traffickers involved.
We never knew about this. Nobody reported to us. আমাদের কেউ জানায়নি। না জানালে আমরা কি করে জানাই? কেউ তো জানবে, হয়তো লোয়ার লেভেলে কেউ জানতো। Never bothered to take notice of it. যেহেতু হয়তো ওরাও এখানকার লোক বুঝতো যে না এটা তো আম কথা, এরকমই হয়। এখন এতে কি এত বড় আছে যে একে নিয়ে এত হইচই হবে? এই তো জিনিসটা আজকে।
Supportive documents include fake passport, currency notes of Saudi Arabia, false residential certificates issued by the panchayats. Actions of Free the Children India, FIR lodged in the respective police stations, district pressure group pressurized the district administration, mass rally to bring back trafficked out children from Saudi Arabia. September 11, 1995. Bagnan Firebox Factory explosion. 23 children died on the spot.
मेरा बच्चा काम करके स्कूल की किताबें और कपड़े खरीदना चाहता था। वो उसी के लिए काम करने गया था और काम करते करते मारा गया।
Parents of the deceased children approached to Center for Communication and Development to uphold their cause. Mass rally from Howrah to Calcutta organized on 27th of December 1995 in protest against the state government's deliberate indifference to this issue. A public interest litigation was moved by the organization in the High Court. Court verdict of 5th December 1996 ordering the state to pay 100,000 rupees per deceased to their family. Immediately after the court verdict, the state administration and ruling political party started harassing the activists of the organization. A new platform with wider magnitude of people's participation for this cause emerges: Free the Children India. Multiple demonstration by Free the Children India before the Labour Commissioner's office, submission of 11-point charter of demands to the Governor and Chief Minister.
जब पूरे देश में दिवाली मनाई जा रही थी, कलकत्ता से सिर्फ 40 किलोमीटर दूर हथुरिया गांव में सन्नाटा छाया हुआ था। रंग बिरंगी रोशनियों की जगह इस गांव के लोग घरों में अंधेरा किए बैठे थे।
आज दिवाली है, लेकिन आज यहाँ पर कोई रोशनी नहीं, क्योंकि ये हाथुरिया है, जहाँ पर 2 साल पहले 23 बच्चे एक आतिशबाजी के कारखाने में आग में जलकर राख हो गए थे।
No compensation has yet been paid by the state to the afflicted families. Global March. Mass rally in Calcutta on 11th March 1998. Children of 12 countries submitted memorandum against child exploitation to Mr. Kofi Annan, Secretary General, United Nations.
India is a vast country, was second largest populated, having more than 12 crores of child labor, the highest in the world.
Marked apathy of the government. Facing futile outcome in dialogue, even with authentic documentary support produced with related government officials, issues an ultimatum. 1 month period of deportation of children from Saudi Arabia and an inquiry against the accused. Actions of FTC India, no action from government, hunger strike from 19th May 1998. Police tortured the hunger strikers, broke the video camera recording the events and plundered the lens.
Parents of missing children and activists of Free the Children India conducted a fast unto death from 19th May to 26th May 98. On 23rd May, police suddenly tortured the hunger strikers and broke the camera. Police also plundered the lens of the camera.
ছোট ছোট শিশুদের নিয়ে আরব দেশে পাচার করেছে। সেই সমস্ত বাচ্চারা
আমি আমার ডিফিকাল্টিটা বলছি, কারণ আমি চাই যে আপনাদের এই যে ইভেন্টগুলো আমি সে কথা বলি না এখন একটা যদি মনে করুন খুব একটা আজকে যদি
আপনার এত টাকা পয়সা কত আপনার টাকা পয়সা ইনকাম করে বিভিন্ন পঞ্চায়েতের প্রতিনিধি
আপনাদের যার পরে হচ্ছে
Demand for right to education. Free the Children India studies revealed poverty in politics as a prime cause of illiteracy and not economic poverty. 100,000 children passing class 4 standard annually could not enroll in higher studies for lack of schools and seats in institutes. Mass rally of children at Shahid Minar, Calcutta on 18 December 1998. In spite of military permission to hold the rally at Calcutta Maidan, Calcutta police refused to hold it without any reason. FTC India moves to court. The court verdict was in its favor. FTC India moved contempt of court against Commissioner of Police for violation of court directive. Commissioner of Police had to appear before the court and apologize. 2 students were mercilessly beaten up by the teacher. Police refused to register FIR. The on-duty medical officer in the hospital refused to treat the patient without FIR from police. The student succumbed to death on the next day at the hospital. FTC India team visits the spot for an in-depth probe. On the basis of FTC India investigation report, MP Human Rights Commission orders judicial inquiry. War-hit children of Iraq suffering from poor medical facilities due to blockade of United Nations economic sanctions. Pupils succumbing to death at the hands of school teachers in Madhya Pradesh, India. There is no end to it. Our effort may just succeed to reveal the tip of the iceberg. Reality of child exploitation across the globe has reached a proportion which spells beyond violence. The fight must continue. Even through life threats, a pathetic attitude of administration, bare infrastructural facilities, we at Free the Children India continue in our stride to emancipate children from exploitive clutches and snares to which they have faithfully succumbed. Ensuring a new horizon of freedom to them is the basic spirit which acts as the driving force behind our movement. A freedom where they can sing, play, dream, and fly like free birds in the lap of nature. Our movement seeks strength and solidarity through a more active association of children across the globe. Come, join us. We were all children once, children of yesterday, children of today. Let us join hands for the children of tomorrow. Free the Children India, Vijayanagar, Shodhpur Road, Modhomgram. PIN 743275, West Bengal, India. Phone 9133 538 5690. Fax number 9133 538 4660.